Hello guys, today I have a very special video for you. I'm going to be testing myself for Corona. I bought 5 packages, it cost 24 euro. One package cost 5 euro. Okay, and enjoy. Okay guys, as you can see I have here 5 Corona tests. But I'm only going to be testing myself with one because it's the only logical reason. You can buy 5 in the supermarket for like 24 euro. Yeah, but I'm just gonna use one. This is how it looks like. The test is not that accurate. So the PCR test is more accurate than this one and it's examined in the lab. Okay, so you need to wash your hands before you do it because the thing that you put up in your nostril, you're not allowed to touch it. Maybe you have Corona on your hands. And then you put it on it, then you put it in your nose, that's even worse. Oh, I got it. Okay. So, stage 1 clear. My heart's like boom boom. Okay. Now we take everything out. So many stuff is in here. Okay. We have 5 things there what we're going to use. First, this is the thing where you put the fluid in. I'm gonna talk about it later. This is the manual. Yeah, you just read it if you don't know how to use it. And this is the thing that you put up in your nose very deep. Okay? This is where you put it in. So just don't throw it in the garbage when you finish using this. I'm just saying, you never know if it has Corona. And this fluid is inside, a very little bit of fluid. But we'll need to use it later. I'll show you also why. Okay, first we check out the manual. Before I start something, I want to show you. Here, you see these lines? Here, if it's like this, you're positive. Then you need to head home, quarantine, and never go outside. If this happens, then you don't have Corona. If this happens, then something went wrong during the process. Maybe you did something wrong. But good luck, we have 5. Okay, so I'm opening the bag for the giant Q-tip. Oh my god, okay. Finally. Okay. So. Now, you open it. My heart is like... Okay, don't touch that like this because you don't want bacteria touching it, and then you go on your nose, and then maybe the Corona comes from it. Don't do it. Okay, now I'm gonna try. This is my first time, guys. I know you need to steer it. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going deep in my nose. Now the next nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my god. It's very deep, guys. When you look on the instructions, you say, oh no biggie dude. Just like, okay, now you need to open it. There's like a fluid inside. You mix it with your nostril stuff. So the things that you got from the nostril. Oh my nose, dude, just went so deep. Okay, now you need to put it inside and steer it for 15 seconds. And then you like, put it at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then you squeeze it and take it out. Okay, so I put it here. Then I close it. Okay, and for this moment, I put it back here. Now we don't need it, then we put it in the bag. This is so complicated. Okay, so we cannot throw it in the garbage because this is a biohazard. So successfully contaminated. This looks so official. Looks like when you see the library on TV, like when you see people like. Okay, now it's time to open the thing. Don't do it alone, guys. Always have an idol close by because maybe you could do things wrong. And yeah, okay, now I'm going to open it. This is how it looks like. So here the results come, and here you put the water, the fluid inside of the water. Okay, so we got the fluid inside with nostril things. Okay, now you open this section and 4 drips of it inside. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I feel like a doctor. Okay, I feel like a certified doctor. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna put it away. Yeah, and then the result is going to come. I hope I'm not positive. Guys, I don't want to see it. Imagine I'm like positive, then I need to stay at home forever. Not forever, but for 2 or 1 week. Okay, so I hope there is more. Look, there's more fluid. I only put 4 drips. Okay, so guys, video update. I did not check it. It is 7 minutes. Yeah, so I just need like some more minutes. And then I'm good to go. I just need to wait 8 more minutes. And then, yeah. We check. Am I negative? Or am I positive? Or it's nothing. Or it's ungültig. Or it doesn't work. Find out to the end. It goes deep in your nostril. This nostril, I need to cry with this eye. This nostril, I need to cry with this eye. I don't know why, but yeah, I was not getting emotional. I'm just saying. Okay, so I think that was me talking just like for 2-3 minutes, I guess. So I opened already 1. Now I have 4 to go, but I'm not gonna do it in the same day. That would be a pretty much of a waste. Yeah, but I would suggest you to do it. Then you can check. Imagine you have corona and then you go outside with your friends and they have corona and stuff, and you don't want to prevent it to doing it. So yeah, I would recommend it. It's very cheap, I realized. Here in Germany, you need a negative corona test to go in the stores. But if you want to go in a supermarket that's related to food and those stuff, then you can just go inside with the FFP mask. The more you know. Okay, so yeah, let me just check the time. Don't go over time. That's not good. Oh, 2 minutes to go. I'm getting mad slowly. I'm slowly getting mad. Just waiting. These are the longest 15 minutes I've ever had in my life. 5 seconds. In 5 seconds, I'm going to be seeing it. Okay, 5. Wait, 4, 3, 2, 1. I have it. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. You will see it. This is awesome. I don't know what I should say. If I would say I would never think it happened, then it would sound weird. Okay, so guys, it is negative. Am I holding it right? It is negative. Yes, no more soup every day. No, wait, I never eat soup every day. I mean, no soup every day. It is negative. Full-blown negative. See, it's negative. Yes, it's negative. Isn't that cool? Now I can make more videos. Yes. And I can go outside. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Share it to other people if you found that informative. And goodbye.